Motorcycle enthusiasts have two unmissable events coming up. From October 22nd to 26th, 2025, Thunder Beach Motorcycle Rally in Panama City Beach, Florida, will feature motorcycle shows, competitions, live music, and over 200 exhibitors along the stunning Florida coastline. Then, from November 6th to 9th, 2025, EICMA, International Motorcycle and Bicycle Exhibition in Milan, will showcase the latest models, prototypes, and accessories, alongside special events and dedicated spaces for networking between enthusiasts and industry professionals. Stay tuned and visit ufair.tv for all the latest from the world of two wheels.